Hello my friend, welcome to Python. Today we will see a string in Python. Firstly, what is a string? It is sequence of character. It means the collection of character makes the string. Just like this. This is the string. Here T, H, I, S. These are the characters. Isn't it? In Python, you can assign the string in two ways. First is single quotes or in double quotes. Just like I will written here variable str, he is playing his cricket. Isn't it? If you print str1, what will be the output? We will look. Control plus S, you have to save and go to the run option. See, he is playing cricket, isn't it? So today we will look how to convert it in uppercase and lowercase. For this we have two methods, upper methods and lower method. For uppercase, just you return print str1 dot upper method. See what will be the output. Control plus S, save and run once more. See here it convert into uppercase, and for the lower case just print lowercase. We have a lower method to convert into the lower case, isn't it? Control plus S and run it. See, all it is written in the lower case, it is in the upper case, isn't it? If you like this video, make sure you stay in this channel.